Union Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports Dr. Mansukh Mandavia today informed that the 95% of physical construction of National Sports University in Kautruk has been completed, but the inauguration of the NSU campus has not been finalized yet. Union Minister Dr. Mansukh Mandavia was responding to a question raised by Rajya Sabha MP Sanajauba Leisemba in Parliament today. MP Sanajauba has sought answer from Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports on the status of National Sports University. In reply to his questions, Union Minister of Sports and Youth and Sports Minister Dr. Mansukh Mandavia informed that 457 crore 96 lakh rupees have been released to NSU in the last 3 years. The completion of the construction is delayed by unrest in the state, rainfall, floods, landslides, blockades and delay in delivery of essential construction materials due to restrictions on national highways. It further informed that the information regarding courses, admissions and activities undertaken at the National Sports University can be availed at NSU's website, that is www.nsu.sc.in.